Hi everybody, this is my very first video. What can I say? I have an issue which is some people call it sticky rubber syndrome. It happens to a lot of remotes. I had cordless phones in the past. My keyboard has this nice fancy rubber which is fantastic when it's brand new. Feels really good, but after about I would say 2 years it becomes very sticky. Now looking at this, I already start cleaning and all this was also this rubber fill, but as you can see here it's nice and shiny now, and I prefer the shiny over the sticky, that's for sure. So you can see this side is nice and shiny and this side it's still sticky and matte. Now I'll show you how to remove that sticky rubber and it works 100%. And I tried other methods like Method Spirit. It works but very difficult to remove. It still doesn't come out as good. But this stuff, I picked it up at the local Woolworth. It works like magic, seriously. These just I don't know, some makeup pads I found from my wife's drawer, so I'm gonna use them. I think tissue papers would not do a good job because this like a cloth, so it's much better. So we'll just apply some here, that, and we just put it over the top and we'll let it sit just a little bit just so it activates, and we can cover the other sides as well. So all this is that sticky rubber and all of this sticky rubber, the rest doesn't seem to be covered, and this was also sticky rubber but already taking it off. As you can see it's just shiny now. So I put some more. Now as you can see I have all these digits here measuring. Now that doesn't come off, it's actually on actual plastic itself, not the rubber coating, so that will stay. You can see already here, it's all this black stuff left. Let it sit a little bit while I show you the bottle. So it works on chewing gums, all the sticky stuff, stains. And the good thing about it, your hands, like from Terps or whatever, it doesn't strip your skin, so it's quite good. So I highly recommend. I'll get a fresh one. It actually smells really nice. It's like has this orange flavor smell, so it actually smells good in hand. Now, whoever designed this sticky surface stuff obviously only wanted the warranty to be for 12 months, because if this was after, this only happens roughly after about 2 years or more. So obviously they knew they could just make a product, feels really good, sells really well, and then I don't care about what's going to happen later on. And that was driving me crazy, having all this sticky stuff. And it's like, what? I hardly use this joystick. Why is it sticky? So whoever invented this rubber coating should really be fired, or their hands should be chopped off, because that's like a really bad invention, whatever they have come up with. Last one. So you can see already it's getting much better here. Already coming off. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. It's my first video, first try. My camera is, I'm using my phone for my camera. Give me a thumbs up. That's the stuff. I'm sure you can buy it online or whatever. Orange Power works, definitely. And I was surprised that no one else made a video about this stuff and sticky rubber syndrome, how it fixes all this issue. So I thought I better put a video to help out other guys like it helped me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and get your stuff fixed up and get this sticky stuff off. Okay, all the best, bye.